Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw from MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our brand new 2018 Boston Whaler 345s. What we're going to do, we're going to go through the boat. I'm going to point out some options. If you notice here, this one has the big 350 Verados. This one has the white paint on it, which is a little bit easier to take care of than the black. These motors can work with and against each other. Also incorporated with this is going to be your autopilot and your skyhook. So this particular one is Abaco Blue. Another very popular option is going to be your aft shade. The aft shade will come out approximately 7 or 8 feet. And as you can see, we do have our hard top right here. And I do like the powder coating. Powder coating, this has basically zero maintenance compared to like a traditional aluminum. Very comfortable walk around to the front of the boat. So if you're grabbing dock lines, putting fenders out, things like that. Very, very safe. You've got non-skid all the way around. Huge windshield in the front. Excellent visibility. And we also have cockpit air conditioning. So what we'll do, we'll kind of walk this way. And also this one we'll get into in a second, but it's got the big Raymarine GPS chart plotter plus the open array radar. So we'll come on inside here. As you can see, the boat has a huge beam. This one has the optional trolling seat right here. Gives you a very large seat in the back as well. So if you are doing some entertaining or have the family or friends out, very, very simple. Your fish boxes on both sides are naturally insulated. You have a big recirculating bait well back here. This is part of your summer kitchen. So if you want to cook some hot dogs or whatever, you can do that right there. It's an electric stove. And that tucks in out of the way. You do have your cockpit refrigerator, which a lot of people like. You can have this in this position to make a lounger, or take this out and have a traditional table right there, or nothing at all. Air conditioning vents, air conditioning vents. This is the controller for your air. Also, if you want some additional air, you can open up your hatches right here. Here at the helm, we've got our twin Raymarine 12-inch. This is our skyhook right here. Also, this is going to be our joystick docking. One nice thing about the boat with the Mercury engines, this is all fly-by-wire. You can also run all motors off one engine. So down in the cabin, they've done a very, very good job. We've got the blue LED lighting. If you notice, this is all fiberglass. Very durable, and you don't have a whole lot of materials that absorb moisture and things along that line. Nice V-berth in the front of the boat, dedicated rod storage over here, beautiful galley, lots of storage all the way around. So if you want to come down here, I'll show you a couple other things. You can come down here if you want. So another thing I really like is everything's easy to get to. This is the main distribution right here for 110 volt systems or 12 volt systems. This is going to be our ignitions here. We crank them from the helm, of course. And then we've got the really nice flat screen TV in the very back. This actually has quite a bit of room. So you can sleep very comfortably back here. You also have air conditioning here in the cabin, of course, plus your generator. And they do the teak type floors here. Very durable, easy to take care of. Fully enclosed head with dockside discharge plus overboard discharge. So all in all, the 345 has been very, very popular. It's a great boat if you want to head down to the Keys, if you want to go to the Bahamas. Very, very capable. So to recap, 2018 345 Conquest, located at MarineMax in Venice. And again, my name is Jeremy Bradshaw. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. The number is 941-485-3388. Thank you.